Is it good, Mikayla?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look at Mommy. It's all over your face.
Grandma.
Yeah. Eat your dinner.
What's your favorite flavor? That sounds yummy.
Eat your dinner.
Dora, I gotta get some ice cream. Hi, Grandma. Ooh, did you hear that? Hello. It's the ice cream truck.
Use your fork.
Dog?
Yeah, use your fork. Yeah.
Did you see which way the truck went?
Eat some spaghetti.
It's your butt.
Hey, where's the ice cream truck?
Mmm.
We don't know where the ice cream More.
Okay, eat more then.
I'm going.
Yeah. Yummy.
Dear.
Hmm.
Listen to the sound to help us find the ice cream truck.
How come you're kissing your spaghetti? Do you love it? Do you love the spaghetti? Is it good? Mmm.
Where's the ice cream truck? I know.
Make sure you chew it up good, okay?